This modest but exquisite kitchen has taught us 5 design and color lessons. This small kitchen has a lot of personality, thanks to its design features and bright color palettes, which help to balance off its small size. Owner Joe restored this property, which was formerly a decrepit old home with no kitchen, into a gleaming beacon of beauty that can be seen as soon as he opens his front door. Joe is a savvy collector who has amassed a fascinating collection of kitchen ideas, deliciously odd stuff to fill his home and kitchen, so he need plenty of open shelves, glass cabinets, and a dramatic backdrop. One cabinetry in small kitchens might be gloomy. Consider a strong hue if you're seeking for small kitchen ideas that make a statement. Going for deep dark hues in a small area is a risky move, but these green kitchen ideas work beautifully and give the space a feeling of grandeur and presence. It has a lot of personality and character, to the point where its size is emphasized. 2. Rustic terracotta flooring offers a unique touch. If you're seeking for cottage kitchen design inspiration, don't forget about the floor. Floors of Stone, Duval Sibling Company, installed a warm terracotta tiled floor here. This is in keeping with the cottage's rustic background, and it flows well into the garden, which is reached immediately from the kitchen through large French doors. 3. In limited rooms, durable counters are unnecessary. Are you looking for small kitchen countertop ideas? It's critical that they're both extremely robust and fashionable. Joe went for extremely durable silestone countertops that would be able to withstand a lot of use in this little room. With its slight enhancing white base and gray veining, the helix finish resembles natural marble in appearance. The rustic atmosphere of this kitchen is enhanced by a scattering of Arbella brass knobs and handles. 4. Detailed fixtures add texture to a small space. The final choice was a Duval fluted sink, which adds the room's last tactile element and fits wonderfully in this colorful, charmingly chaotic, and beautiful area. The tile color is one of those lovely kitchen backsplash ideas that provides extra texture and gloss, and the shaker peg rail accent is ideal for this small room. 5. The perfect final touch is authentic lighting. Cottage lighting choices must be carefully considered. Anything too modern, such as downlights, will detract from the period-style space's authenticity. Joe chose a basic Duval creamware pendant light, which wonderfully complements the kitchen's traditional atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Do not forget subscribe to the Leader Lady channel and share. Live a healthy life. And do not give up.